On day 5 of Uttarakhand tunnel collapse, rescue operation began to evacuate the trapped 40 workers. According to the officials, the workers are safe inside. The auger drilling machine has been installed to speed up the process of digging through the debris.
ये जो हमारी अगर मशीनरी है वो बिल्कुल इंस्टॉल हो गई है और जल्दी तुरंत ही काम शुरू होने वाला है और हम अपने जो अंदर फंसे हुए लोग हैं उनको जल्दी से जल्दी रेस्क्यू करने में कामयाब होंगे। मजदूर बिल्कुल स्वस्थ है, हम उनको हर आधे घंटे बाद खाना दे रहे हैं, उनसे बात हो रही है और बिल्कुल स्वस्थ है।
The plan is to use the machine to drill through the rubble of the tunnel's collapsed portion and insert 800 mm and 900 mm diameter sections of mild steel pipes, one after the other. Once this happens, the workers trapped on the other side of the rubble can crawl out to safety. The officials informed that the first drilling machine turned out to be too slow and technical issues developed. Also, falling debris inside the tunnel damaged the equipment and injured 2 rescue workers on Tuesday. The workers protested and shouted slogans at the mouth of the tunnel on Wednesday over the slow pace of the operation to rescue their colleagues trapped inside.
पहले से वो मिशन फेल हो गया, 24 घंटा फेल हो गया, उसके बाद में कोई उपाय नहीं अभी तक हुआ। क्यों इसका प्रशासन?
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is continuously monitoring the rescue operation in Silkyara despite being in Indore, an official statement said on Wednesday.